Hi guys. Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see. Israel Laser Defense System. Israel has developed and deployed several laser defense systems to protect against a range of threats, including rockets, mortars, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Iron Beam. Iron Beam, officially, or Light Shield, is a directed energy weapon air defense system which was unveiled at the Singapore Airshow on February 11, 2014 by Israeli defense contractor Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. The system is designed to destroy short-range rockets, artillery, and mortar bombs. Iron Beam uses a solid-state laser to track and destroy incoming targets in flight. In addition, the system could also intercept unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Iron Beam uses a fiber laser to destroy an airborne target within 4 to 5 seconds of firing at a range of 20 kilometers. Whether acting as a standalone system or with external cueing as part of an air defense system, a threat is detected by a surveillance system and tracked by vehicle platforms in order to engage. THEL. In addition, Israel have also developed the Tactical High Energy Laser (THEL) system, which is designed to intercept a variety of airborne threats, including missiles and artillery shells. THEL uses a chemical laser to destroy targets at a range of up to 10 kilometers. The Tactical High Energy Laser, or THEL, was a laser developed for military use, also known as the Nautilus Laser System. The mobile version is the Mobile Tactical High Energy Laser, or MTHEL. THEL, called the Advanced Concept Technology Demonstrator, which would utilize deuterium fluoride chemical laser technologies. In December 2022, Rafael and Lockheed Martin announced a joint effort to develop a laser defense system based on the Iron Beam project. The aim is to produce a system made up of a pair of solid-state lasers that, when combined, could boost power up to 300 kilowatts, as well as to use more than one beam to simultaneously burn more than one target at once. Overall, Israel's laser defense systems represent an important and innovative approach to defending against a range of modern threats. What do you think, which country has the best laser defense systems? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.